and from you, O Muhammad, and from Noah, Abraham, Moses, and Jesus son of Mary. We took from them a strong covenant. Ch 33:7 Quran. In another verse Allah the Exalted commanded, So set you, O Muhammad, your face towards the religion of pure Islamic monotheism Hanifan, worship none but Allah alone, Allah's fitra, Allah's Islamic monotheism, with which He has created mankind. No change let there be in Calcula the religion of Allah. Islamic monotheism, that is the straight religion. But most men know not. Ch 33:3 Quran. Another version of the story relates that Allah took a handful of the dust of the earth and mixed into it the colors white, black, yellow and red. That is the reason why men are born different colors. When Allah mixed the dust with water, it turned into potter's clay that makes a sound. It was fermented and had a smell. People passed by, wondering what was going to be made of that clay. From the clay Allah created Adam. He molded his form with His own hands and blew His spirit into him. Adam's body quivered as life was imbued into it. Then we drowned the other disbelievers and polytheists, etc. Ch 37:12 Quran. Similarity between Adam and Jesus pbut. Allah the Almighty declared, Verily the likeness of Jesus, in Allah's sight is the likeness of Adam. He created him from the dust, then He said to him, Be. And he was. Ch 3:19 Quran. The meaning of the angel's prostration. Adam opened his eyes and saw all the angels prostrating before him except one being who was standing at a distance. Adam did not know what kind of creature it was that did not prostrate before him, nor did he know it.